In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-quality video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before anything else, make sure Premiere knows exactly what you want to export. Click directly on your timeline or sequence so it's selected. You should see it highlighted, which tells Premiere to pull settings from that sequence. Next, open the export window. Go to File, then Export, then Media, or use the shortcut Ctrl+M to get there quickly. This brings up all the controls that determine how your final file will look and how large it will be. Under Format, choose H.264. This creates an MP4 file, which strikes a great balance between quality and file size, and is widely accepted by platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and most social feeds. Then set the preset to match source, high bitrate. Match source copies your sequence's frame size and frame rate so you don't accidentally scale or reinterpret your footage during export, and high bitrate pushes enough data to keep the image clean. For even cleaner results, enable render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Maximum depth uses higher color precision when rendering, which helps gradients and graphics. Maximum render quality improves scaling and reduces aliasing, especially if you have any resized clips or titles. Keep in mind, both options increase export time, but they're worth it when quality matters. Now set your bitrate. Choose VBR 2-pass. Variable bitrate lets Premiere allocate more data to complex moments and less to simple ones, and the 2-pass method analyzes your timeline first to distribute that data more intelligently. For 1080p exports, a target of around 10 megabits per second with a maximum of about 16 is a solid starting point. For 4K, aim for roughly 35 to 40 V. These ranges preserve detail without creating oversized files. Choose your file name and destination by clicking the output name. Pick a clear name and select the folder where you want the file saved so you can find it easily later. When everything looks good, click Export. Premiere will render your sequence using the settings you just configured and save an MP4 to your chosen location. That's it. Your high-quality video is